You want to learn how to grow a vertical microgreen wall in your house, do it super cheap, and make a ton of money? Check this video out.
Most people think you need a backyard to grow your own food. You don't. This is a vertical microgreen wall, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build one cheap, easy, and fast. First, let's get set up. Pick a wall with good airflow and some indirect sunlight. You can use simple wire shelving, shoe racks, or even stackable wall trays. Pretty much anything that can hold shallow pans will work. Now, if you don't get much natural light, just add some cheap LED grow strips. You can find them online for less than 20 bucks. For the trays, you want to go shallow, about 1 inch deep. Nursery trays are perfect, but you can also get creative and repurpose old food containers. Fill each tray with a thin layer of a growing medium. Cocoa coir, a seed-starting mix, or even hemp mats are all great options. The key is to keep it damp, but not soggy. A simple spray bottle works best for this. Now for the fun part, the seeds. Microgreens are super efficient. You only need a few tablespoons per tray. If you're just starting out, I recommend sunflower, radish, broccoli, or pea shoots. Sprinkle the seeds evenly across the surface of your medium, then lightly press them down with your hand or a small flat board. This ensures good contact. Next, cover your trays for about 2 to 3 days. You can use another tray as a lid or even a damp cloth. Keep them in the dark and slightly warm. This step mimics being under the soil and helps the roots anchor down. Give them a light mist once a day. You well know it's time to uncover when you see the greens literally start to push the lid up. Once uncovered, it's time for light.
Once your seeds begin to sprout, it's time to wake up your wall. Switch on the grow lights already mounted above each shelf, about 3 inches above the greens. This vertical layout lets you light multiple trays at once without wasting space or energy. Mist. Each layer evenly once or twice a day, just enough to keep the surface damp, never soaked up because it's vertical. Air moves naturally up the wall, keeping your greens dry, strong, and mold-free. If you're stacking more than 3 levels, add a small fan at the base blowing upward to help air flow even more. Within a week, you'll start to see dense, bright growth across every level. When the leaves open fully and the stems stand tall, that means it's time to harvest. Cut the greens just above the roots. Each tray will give you 6 to 10 ounces of microgreens, about $15 to $25 worth of fresh produce. Multiply that by 10 trays, and one wall can grow over $200 of food every week. After harvest, rinse the trays, reline with fresh medium, reseed, and start your next cycle. The beauty of this system is rhythm. Once it's set, your wall never stops producing. Cheap to build, easy to maintain. This is powerful enough to feed and fund you at the same time. Your wall isn't just decoration anymore. It's alive.
This is a new way of doing things. Watch my content, empower yourself. I hope you learned something from this video. Follow me for more.